Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to bring their online presence to life: choosing between a professional website development agency or a skilled freelancer. So whether you're planning a personal blog, a business website, or an e-commerce platform, making the right choice can significantly impact your project success. Join me today as we weigh the pros and cons of both options and helping you navigate the world of web development to find the perfect fit for your unique needs. Let's get started. So what do website development agencies specifically do? Website development agencies are companies that specialize in creating and designing and building websites for clients. These agencies typically consist of a team of professionals with various skills, including designers, developers, graphic designers, UI/UX designers, content creators, and sometimes even digital marketers. They collaborate to offer comprehensive services for developing websites that cater to a specific goal, requirements, and target audience. So some key characteristics of website development agencies include expertise. So agencies often have a diverse team with experience in different areas of web development, and this allows them to handle various aspects of a project, from design and coding to content creation and optimization. Website development agencies can offer a range of services beyond just website creation, and this might include branding, digital marketing, e-commerce solutions, mobile app development, and lots more. Agencies are equipped to handle projects of different sizes and complexities, and they can adjust their team and resources to meet the demands of each project. Agencies usually have established project management processes to ensure that projects are delivered on time and within budget. This can involve client consultations, regular updates, and clear communication. Agencies often have internal quality control processes to ensure that the final product meets industry standards and is free from bugs or errors. Agencies typically build long-term relationships with clients, offering ongoing support and maintenance services even after the website is launched. And agencies will have a portfolio showcasing their previous work, which can help potential clients assess their capabilities and their style as well. Hiring a website development agency can be beneficial for a large project that require a high level of expertise, a wide range of skills, and dedicated team to bring the vision to life. But it's also important to consider factors like budget, project scope, and timeline before deciding whether an agency is the right choice for your project or freelancer. So freelance web designers and developers are independent professionals who often offer their web development services on a project-by-project basis. And they work on their own, often remotely, and they are hired by clients to create, design, and develop websites according to the client specifications. Freelancers can offer various skills ranging from front-end development, so that's things like design and user interface, to back-end development. And that focuses more on the server-side coding and database integration as well. Key characteristics of freelance web developers include independence. So freelance work on their own terms, and they have the flexibility to choose the projects that they want to take on. They often manage their schedules and work from different locations. Freelancers can specialize in specific programming languages or frameworks or types of websites, and this can allow clients to find a freelancer with the exact skills needed for the project. Freelancers might have a lower overhead cost compared to agencies, which can result in more competitive pricing for their services. And working directly with a freelancer allows for more direct communication and a closer working relationship, which can lead to a more personalized experience. Freelancers can adapt quickly to changing projects' requirements and timelines, as they are often working with fewer layers of communication. And freelancers can handle both small and large projects, from basic website setups to more complex web applications. Freelancers will also have their own portfolio showcasing their past work, along with reviews and testimonials from previous clients, helping potential clients assess their capabilities and reliabilities. Hiring a freelance website developer can be a really good choice for smaller projects or projects with a very specific technical focus, or for clients who want a more direct and hands-on collaboration. But since freelancers work independently, clients should be prepared to take on more project management responsibilities, including setting clear expectations, providing thorough project details, and ensuring effective communication throughout the project's duration. So website development agencies and freelance web developers each have their own set of benefits. Here are some advantages of choosing an agency over a freelance developer. First up is that agencies often have a team of professionals with diverse skills, and this includes designers, developers, content creators, and marketers, and this allows them to handle different aspects of a project and provide comprehensive solutions. Agencies often have a track record of successful projects and a collective pool of experience. They can provide insights and best practices and also industry knowledge that come from working on various projects across different sectors. Agencies are equipped to handle projects of various sizing and complexities, and they can allow resources as needed and adjust the team size to meet the demands of the project. Agencies will also have established project management processes, ensuring that the projects are well organized, milestones are met, and communication is consistent, and so that the project is also completed on time. This can reduce the burden on the client to manage the project details. Agencies will often have quality control measures in place to ensure that the final product meets high standards. This includes testing, debugging, and ensuring the website functions as correctly across different devices and browsers. With a team of professionals, agencies can maintain consistency in design, development standards, and branding throughout the project. Support and maintenance as well is something that agencies can offer, and they can offer ongoing support and maintenance services after the website is launched. And this can ensure that any issues or updates can be addressed in a timely manner. Working with the team can foster creativity through collaborative brainstorming and problem solving, and different team members can contribute unique perspectives to enhance the projects. Agencies might specialize in specific industries or types of websites, allowing them to provide tailored solutions based on their experience. And established agencies often have a reputation to uphold, which can provide a level of trust and reliability for clients. Despite these benefits, it's important to note that working with an agency might come with higher costs compared to hiring a freelancer. Additionally, the decision between an agency and a freelancer should also consider factors like project scope, timeline, budget, and the specific needs of the project. Choosing the right agency for your e-commerce project is crucial to its success. Here are some steps that you can take to select a suitable agency. Step 1, you want to clearly define your requirements. So clearly outline your project scope, goals, budget, and timeline. Determine what specific services you need from the agency, like design, development, SEO, marketing, and ongoing support. And you want to review the agency's portfolio. A good website agency will have a portfolio showcased on their website, and you can use that to see the experience that other clients have had working on projects similar to yours. You want to look for examples of websites similar to yours, like website development, e-commerce, app design, things like that. And you want to pay attention to the design quality, the user experience, and functionality of each of these websites to get a feel for how your website might end up looking like. You also want to read reviews and testimonials. Client reviews and testimonials will give you a good understanding of the agency's reputation, communication skills, and ability to meet deadlines. A good way to check this is through Google. So if you search for the website for the agency on Google and look for the Google My Business, you can see some accurate reviews, and you can sort between the newest reviews, the highest rated reviews as well, and you can really see firsthand experience from other users who have used the agency as well, and get an idea of the experience that you'll get as well if you use this agency. You also want to assess the agency's technical skills. Part of that includes looking at their services pages and see what kind of services that they offer. You'll obviously see the website development services, but if they have other services including SEO optimization, training in marketing or social media training, things like that, all of that will give you an indication of how diverse their skills are. And if you are looking for other things apart from website development, it's best to find an agency that does it all, and that way everything's managed and more cohesive in one place. You want to inquire about post-launch support, maintenance, and updates. A good agency will offer ongoing services to keep your e-commerce site and any other website running smoothly. And ultimately, just trust your instincts. Choose an agency you feel comfortable with and confident in their ability to deliver the results you're looking for. Remember that the agency you choose will be a partner in your project, so take your time to thoroughly evaluate your options before making a decision. Thank you for joining us in this insightful comparison between agencies and freelancers. As you've seen, choosing the right partner for your project can make all the difference. If you're looking for a seamless, professional, and comprehensive approach to bringing your website vision to life, we invite you to explore ProfileTree. Our experienced team is ready to tackle your project with creativity, expertise, and commitment to delivering results that exceed your expectations. Visit our website, ProfileTree.com, to learn more about our services and to get started on your next web development journey. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're excited to be your partner in turning your ideas into extraordinarily online experiences. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.